Assalamualaikum and good evening, everybody. My name is Ameir Rahmad and my matrix number is A175729. So for today, me and my group mate Dafi and also Wong will be presenting the portfolio performance measurement. The first question shows there are 4 portfolios with their own features, as shown as in the table. The question asks, given a market return of 10% and risk-free rate of 4%, calculate Jensen alpha for these 4 portfolios. Comment which portfolio has performed better. To understand what is Jensen alpha measurement represent the average return on a portfolio or investment, which the value shows that does the portfolio performs above or below the predicted by the capital asset pricing model, which is CAPM. So by using the formula given, it shows that the result is in the table, which shows that the portfolio A, the Jensen alpha value is negative 0.2, B negative 3.6, C negative 1.6, and D negative 6.2. So for the all 4 portfolio have the negative Jensen alpha, which shows that the return of the portfolio is below the CAPM, and the return is not enough with the given risk. So between the 4 portfolios, portfolio A performed better than the other portfolios, which the number of, or the value is negative 0.2, which has the least negative value from the other 3. For the second question, analyze the 3 cases below based on Jensen alpha. So for the case 1, case 2, and case 3, given their features in the following table. As stated in the question 1, the Jensen alpha represent the average return on a portfolio or investment, which it shows the value is between above or below the predicted by the CAPM. So for the second question, it shows that the case 1, the result is in the table, which is the case for the case 1 portfolio. Case 1 has the Jensen alpha value 1.6. For the case 2 is the Jensen alpha value is 4, and the case 3 is 5.2. So all 3 portfolio have the positive Jensen alpha, which shows that the return of the portfolio is above the CAPM and enough to compensate the risk given. Between the 3 portfolios, portfolio case 3 perform better than the other portfolio, which it has the highest positive value than the other, which is 5.2. The 3 cases portfolio is perform well, which is the Jensen alpha have the positive value, but then for the case 3 is the best, which has the highest value for the Jensen alpha.
I am Wong with number matrix A175700. Now it's my turn to present question 3. The instruction of question 3 is to find the sharp for each portfolio and identify which portfolio should be chosen by the clients. Hence, I will use the formula PR minus RFD divided by SD. After calculate all the Sharpe ratio, portfolio B should be chosen by the clients because it records the highest Sharpe value among all the portfolio. Therefore, portfolio B has the superior risk-adjusted return.
Thank you, Wong. My name is DAFIZRUL AZALI bin DAUD and my matrix number A181665. Now my turn to give the answer for question number 4 and question number 5. For question number 4, we must use the training ratio. First of all, we must to identify the PR, which is portfolio return, RFR, risk-free rate, and the last one is beta. The PR for this question is equals to 12% or 0.12, RFR equals to 2% or 0.02, and beta equals to 1.4. Next, we must to know the formula of trainer that's equal to PR minus RFR divided by beta. So, to calculate the trainer value, we use the table to understand the answer easily. The trainer for the market is 0.12 minus 0.02 divided by 1.0, and we get 0.1. The last one is trainer for portfolio equals to 0.12 minus 0.02 divided by 1.4, and we get the answer is 0.0714. So we can conclude that portfolio with aggregate market beta equals to 1 is more desirable because it have the higher trainer value and lower risk than portfolio with beta equals to 1.4. For question number 5, same like question number 4, which is we must use the trainer ratio. First of all, we must to identify the RFR, total return, and beta. The RFR for this question equals to 2% or 0.02, and the total return for equity portfolio equals to 7% or 0.07, and the fixed income portfolio equals to 5% or 0.05. The beta of equity portfolio is 1.2, and the beta of fixed income portfolio is 0.7. Same like question number 4, we must to know the formula of trainer measure that's equal to PR minus RFR divided by beta. We use the table to understand or to calculate the trainer value easily. So the trainer value for equity portfolio equals to 0.042, and the trainer value for fixed income portfolio equals to 0.043. So from the table, we can conclude that fixed income portfolio is the best portfolio investment because it demonstrates the better outcome that's involved the lower risk for the investor. That's all from me.